Welcome to A&L RV Sales. Here's a look at one of our units from our Murfreesboro inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with double-door refrigerator, AM/FM CD DVD player, stabilizer jacks, ducted AC, lift system with adult-sized beds, 8-foot ramp door, 2 recliners, living area television, electric awning, closets on both sides of the bed, multi-purpose room with flex bed system including 2 bunks, patio door with screen, stainless sink, high-rise faucet, entry grab handle, TV hookup in bedroom, sleeps up to 6 people. And this unit comes with our exclusive lifetime warranty at no cost to you. See our sales professionals for all the details of this great warranty. For over 19 years, A&L RV Sales has followed one simple principle: offer quality products, back them up with quality service, and most of all, make the customer's overall experience as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. A&L RV Sales has 3 family-run locations to serve you. Our original location in Johnson City, our second location in Murfreesboro, and our most recent store location in Sevierville. To us, there is no higher priority than your satisfaction. We don't want to just have your business. We want to hold true to being the RVer's friend. Come visit us today. We're looking forward to meeting you.